Today we're going to go over the reports page, which is where all transactions are stored. This includes transactions run within this gateway account or virtual terminal, as well as transactions run on outside sources, including plugins, integrations, EMV terminals, and hosted payment pages. Within your reports page, you have multiple filters to help you find the transactions you're looking for, including filtering by status of the transaction, the type of transaction, the payment type, the processor of this transaction, and the source where this transaction came from. You can also filter by date or use the keyword search to help you find a specific transaction you're looking for. You can also group transactions to help make it easier to see your totals. For example, you can group by date and then hit the summary checkbox to get a breakdown of the charges of each day. Click on any transaction to see all the available details related to it. For example, on a settled transaction, you'll have the option of sending the receipt via email, printing the receipt, refunding the charge, or recharging the transaction. On a transaction that has only been captured and not yet settled, you'll also see the additional actions of adjusting the transaction either up or down, voiding the transaction, or queuing the transaction. You can also select how many columns of data should be displayed using this columns dropdown. Click on this button to save your current selection so that the next time you log in, the changes will be saved. You can always email or print reports and download them to your computer. If you're a merchant user with access to more than one gateway account, you'll have this Select Accounts button that you can click to select from multiple accounts in your reports page so that you can see transactions from all of your gateway accounts together. Lastly, you have a tab called Schedules, where you can see upcoming reoccurring schedules that are going to end, and reoccurring schedules that are using cards that will be expiring in the coming future.